I'm ready to run the new fuel line. From the strainer it comes to the fuel pump over here, and from the top of the injectors the return line will go to the line that welded to the top of the tank that doesn't feed to the bottom. It just return the extra diesel back to the tank. This over here go to the strainer, so it's gonna go to the fuel pump, and the line over there is the return line. I just put a U hose from end to end to protect it from moisture and water. I will take it off and run the new fuel line. And this over here is the return line. Oh, it's coming out to clean now. This over here to suck diesel manually from the fuel tank. I basically flushed the fuel pump and the line to the filter from all the rust and moisture and what's not. It's coming out to clean right now. When I started, it was very rusty. Clean all the lines and the fuel pump and the filter assembly, and I have a new filter. I removed the line from the injector, the last one, and I cleaned it. There was a lot of rust on it. I'm gonna try to push the line as far as I could to cover all the rust. And this is the old line. I'm gonna tape the end. I'm gonna leave this the whole length, and I'm gonna tape the other end to this, and then I'm gonna pull it off over there, so it will go in the same way this one was. I topped it off and there is no leak. I did check all the way around. I did a brusher tested at the house, but I did double check because the sending unit over here and the hoses over there and the drainer plug, everything is good. It's very good idea to keep your fuel tank topped off. This will prevent moisture building up, because while the machine is running, the diesel come back from the engine hot, and in summer days when it's hot, the diesel will create vapor and it will come out. They always have some sort of breather, and at night when the diesel get cold, it will create vacuum because all that vapor will go back to be diesel, so it will suck air from outside, and that air contain moisture, and over time that moisture build on the walls and the bottom of the fuel tank because water heavier than diesel, and that's what create rust. So the best thing to do is to always top off your machine every day after you get done using it.